Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. In today's video, I'm going to create this engagement sort of look. This is perfect if this is your engagement or you're going to attend one. You can also recreate it at any point of time when you feel like. So if you want to see how I created this orange makeup look, then please keep on watching. So starting off first, I'm going to use this MAC Mineralize water base. I'm going to hydrate my skin. These are summers. You really don't want to make your skin dry and flaky and look the same. So I'm ensuring that my skin is fully hydrated and supple and it is glowy. So I'm just slathering it all around my face and will wait for good 2 to 3 minutes so that it seeps into your skin. So once I'm done with this step, I'll move towards priming. So as you all know what primer does, I don't have to tell you. Today I'll be using this NELF primer, which is a gel based primer. So I'll be applying it all around my face. This will ensure that my makeup sticks for a longer period of time. Once I'm done with this, because this is more of a occasional look, like if you're doing it for your engagement, you really don't want to look that simple. So I'm doing some color corrections this time. Today I'm going to use this concealer palette. This is the one which I got from Dubai, and I'm going to use the orange color corrector and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, around my mouth, wherever I have a little bit of darkness. I'm going to apply that and I'm going to blend it with the help of a damp beauty blender. Now I don't want my corrector to mix with my foundation, so I'm going to set this with a compact powder which is from NELF Cosmetics. Once I have set everything, once I have locked this color corrector, I'll move towards my base. So today I'll be using this Olivia foundation and this Manakadar illuminator. I really want a glowy and that sparkly base. For that I'll be mixing both of these. I really like this technique. I really love to do this whenever I have a special event where I really want to look that glowy. So I'm going to mix both with the help of a brush. First I'm going to apply it all around my face. I'm going to like place it all around my face. Then with the help of a damp beauty blender, I am going to blend everything seamlessly. Guys, for a perfect base, blending is the key. So make sure you are blending it properly. Like blend, blend, blend. This is really important step. So once I am done with all the blending, I'll move towards a little bit of highlighting. Today I will be using this Mars 3D contour and highlight stick, and I am going to highlight under my eyes, bridge of my nose, around my mouth, or wherever I really want to highlight things. I'm gonna highlight that, and then with the help of a damp beauty blender, I am going to blend everything seamlessly. So once I have blended that properly, I'm gonna set my highlight with the help of loose powder. This is one from Color Essence. This is their HD loose powder. I'm gonna set my highlighted area, which is like under my eyes, around my mouth, and my bridge of the nose, and wherever I have highlighted my face. So once I have set my base with the help of loose powder, I'm going to move towards my brows. Today I'll be using this Color Essence eyebrow pencil in the color black. So I'll be using first the comb section. I'll be combing it so that it doesn't have any knots or anything. And then I'll be coloring my brows. I'll be filling up the blank spaces with the help of this pencil. Now you might think that this looks little darker, but specifically, I don't know for what reason, I really like these hair to be like little bit on a blacker side. Once I'm done with this, I'll be using this Mars eyeshadow palette, choosing the skin like color, which is like 2-3 shades darker from my skin. I'm going to use this in the crease of my eyes. We will do our eyeshadow now. So I will take this on a fluffy brush. I'll just apply this eyeshadow. We'll use the wiper motion, back and forth motion, and gonna blend it properly. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to take the orange color because this look is all about orange. I'm going to take a orange color and going to put little lower than crease, and I'm going to blend it properly with the help of a same brush. I'm going to put the same color in the outer V as well, ensuring that I have a proper blended look. I'll be using another shade which is more of like a black color with another pencil brush which is little smaller than the first one. Very gently I'm gonna apply that on the corner of my eyes, and then I'm gonna blend it with the help of a fluffy brush so that it won't look creasy, it won't look it just looks seamless and looks blended. So that's what I'm doing as of now. Once I'm done with this, I'll move to the Savannah's color palette. I'm going to take this golden color on my finger because that is the best way to put sparkle color or like shimmery color. This gives the maximum payoff. I'm going to use the press and slide method, and I'm going to apply it on the 1/3 of my eye, like starting from the inner corner, coming to the center and going outside. I'm going to apply this golden color properly. If I feel that it is less pigmented, I'll go back 2-3 times and I apply it. Then with the help of fluffy brush, I'm going to blend everything all together so that it looks like one. Then I am done. Once I'm done with this, I line my eyeliner with the NELF eyeliner. I'll apply a liner and I'm going to create a very small wing. Now this time if you look very closely, I sort of created like two wings, one from the upper end and one once I put the kajal. This is sort of like two wings. So I'm trying to create that. So I have created a small wing as of now here at this point of time, and once I apply my kajal, I'm going to do that. From the same fluffy brush, the same orange color, I'm going to apply it on the lower lashes. And yes, I'm going to use one more trick with which I'll make my eyes look bigger, that using a white kajal or a white liner into the inner corner of inner waterline of your eyes. This makes your eyes look bigger. So once I have applied my kajal, I'm going to curl my lashes with the lash curler, and then using this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. This is my favorite. If you are following me since so long, you know that Maybelline products are my personal favorite. I'm going to put loads and loads of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Once I am done with this step, I am going to do rest of my eyes and gonna come back. Everything is done now. I'll move towards my contouring. For that, I'll be using this ADS contouring palette with the help of a contouring brush. I'm going to do a very light and a gentle contouring. This look easily can be achieved in daytime as well if this is your main occasion. So a little bit of contouring won't harm you. Once I am done with this, I'm going to contour a little bit of my nose as well so that it looks slimmer. Once I'm done with all the contouring, I'll move towards a little bit of blush on my cheeks. For that, today I'll be using this Avon blush, which is in the color blush. I'm gonna apply it on the apple of my cheek with a little smile on my face. Once I'm done with this step, I move towards highlighting. Guys, tell me who really don't like highlighting, who really don't want to glow. I'm gonna use a highlighting brush and I'm gonna highlight down my brows and cheekbones and nose, the bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, everything wherever I need highlighting. And you can see that I started glowing already. Moving towards my lips now, I'm going to use this MN lip liner in the color orange. First, I'm going to create like a stencil. I'm going to create a line, outline of my lips. Once I am done outlining my lips, I'll move towards filling my lips. For that, today I'll be using this Color Essence lipstick, which is in the color more, which is on the more on coral orange color, and I am going to fill it. Now, I really like this color personally, but I feel like this is like little, at times it comes out to be little dark. But though I'm personally in love with this color. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a trick here. Till the time it is little bit wet, I'm going to take a sparkly eyeshadow, which is more of a same color. You can see that this sparkly eyeshadow, this is from the Miss Rose palette. I'm going to apply right in the middle of my lips so that they looks fuller and bigger and shiny. So this is like trick. This will also like reduce the pigmentation a little bit. So yeah, with this I completed my look. I'll finish off everything using this ABS makeup fixer. I'm going to take a quick shower in it. I'll take off the excess with the help of a beauty blender, and I am done with this. So this is the whole look, how I did this, and this is how the look turned out. I hope you like it. Do let me know in the comment section below whether you like this or not. If you are creating this or not, do let me know everything in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye.